for the cleetus car at Freedom Factory. So excited. How about you, man?
I'm excited. I didn't know you were.
It's alright.
Yeah, man, I'm stoked.
Yeah, the line is already very long, you know, on the side
Very
of the
long.
street. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming out with us. Appreciate you guys a lot. I love you all.
Oh, they're all getting let in. The madness begin. You don't gotta do that.
Yeah.
I let the Prius go a little. Hold on, Mom. Prius. Go ahead.
There we go.
Freedom!
Freedom!
Yeah. It's burnout day. It ain't no mystery. We're gonna get down today. So we've made it to Cleetus Cars. We're gonna get in there and set up our booth and get Phoenix unloaded and get rocking here. So it's gonna be epic.
Enjoy the day.
Enjoy the day.
Another nice day. Yeah. I gotta fire it up for the guy.
different, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's just the whole experience about all of it is just way better.
Thank you.
Shut.
Okay, come here, come here.
Drive the total
Hand on the wheel. Another hand on the shifter. Can you reach it? Yeah. Shake it. Wiggle it. Bang.
Can't change the camera. Nope. Not that one.
That's the e-brake.
Yeah, e-brake. Yep. You can't drive it.
You're gonna drive it to the race.
To the right, to the left, through the air.
Are you ready to get out? Nope.
Not yet.
This was my first car. I actually bought one of these.
And of course, Spicy Spence. I'm Jared Deanda. We are putting an exclamation point on a fantastic.
You have become a PFI model or what?
out here.
Huh?
All right, thank you so much. Hey, if you're wallet, you lost your license. Alex Taylor Kennedy. Alex Taylor Kennedy, your driver's
That's
license
style.
comes from Sharon the green shirt.
Oh, you guys look great.
Thank you for joining us.
He always something. Yeah, we're just about wrapping up for the night. Cleetus and car right here at the Freedom Factory. It's been a super day for me. People are awesome, cars are awesome, a lot of burnout, a lot of cool car. We all have fun together. I love to say thank you for people who come out and support us, cheer with us, party with us. And also I love to say thank you for people who tune in our YouTube channel, All Motorfong YouTube channel, PFI YouTube channel, Boostable YouTube channel, and any involved YouTube channel. You guys sit behind the screen and always cheer for us. I love to say thank you for that. And then yeah, that's be all for the night. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys come out. I will see you tomorrow. Bye now. Hey, I need this.
You need this?
Damn, $4.50. I want it. I want one.
All right, trade me from the van in the CRX.
With COX.
And the EF no one knows about.
No.
All of them. You have some phones for me though? I got it.